John, we have a $50 in unclaimed property we're happy to return to you today.
Well, Mr. Treasurer, I'm excited and delighted. I wasn't expecting this kind of treatment. Usually, in the state, you get taxed, you don't get money back. How do I happen to come by this?
Well, under state law, businesses, if they have property belonging to someone else and they can't locate them, they're required by law to turn it over to the state treasurer, and then we look for the people so that we can return their property to them.
So this is money that had been owed to me and I had not ever been able to claim it?
Right. This particular item was an uncashed cashier's check from First Westroads Bank, and for some reason they couldn't find the Secretary of State, so they turned it over to us, and we did.
And I forgot to look for it on your website as well. So
that's right.
Are there a lot of people that are owed unclaimed property in Nebraska?
There really are. We hold unclaimed property for more than 350,000 Nebraskans and former Nebraskans, over $100 million.
Is any of this tax money that you're holding?
No, it's all property that belongs to people, maybe wages, their last paycheck that they moved and their employer couldn't find them, dividends, safety deposit boxes that haven't been accessed for a long period of time, and so forth.
So the law requires those businesses turned over to the Treasurer's office, and you try to help Nebraskans get their money back.
Exactly right, and we'll be out at the State Fair and Husker Harvest Days with the booth. And a real easy way to find unclaimed property is go to our website, treasurer.org, type in your name there on the unclaimed property spot, and find out if we hold property for you.
There's sure to be some of those 350,000 Nebraskans at the State Fair who maybe are owed money.
Well, exactly right. In fact, if you've got 5 people in a room, the odds are that we hold unclaimed property for one of them, because with property for 350,000 Nebraskans, and given our state population, we have unclaimed property for about 1 in 5 Nebraskans.
So this check for me is $50. What's the average claim?
The average claim is about $450, but we've had instances of well over $100,000 in a few occasions.
Do you have any large claim that's unclaimed currently?
We have one for over $154,000 from the Webster County Court.
Webster County Court. So people in Webster County should be looking up your website.
They should check it out and see if maybe they are the heirs to that money.
So what are you going to do at the State Fair? How do you help citizens make their claim?
Well, we have a book that you can go through by county, based on the county of your residence, or we have a computer that we can type in your last name and go online and check our database that way.
Well, that's a wonderful service, particularly while many people are kind of struggling through this recessionary period. This is the kind of thing that can give a boost to their paycheck or their bank deposit.
Well, that's right, and we don't charge anything. This is part of the service that we provide under the laws of the state of Nebraska. There's no charge to anyone when we return their unclaimed property to them.
Well, it's a tremendous service. It's a wonderful law that was passed by the legislature, and obviously you're doing a very effective job in promoting it to the citizens, and people should be paying attention. Like I should have been paying more attention. Here was $50 waiting for me.
Well, that's right.
So, thank you.
You bet. Treasurer.org, look for unclaimed property. John?
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, bet.